In 1783, a peculiar event unfolded in the small town of Selborne, England. Naturalist Gilbert White observed an unusual surge in the bat population. At first, locals were baffled, fearing an omen. However, White discovered these bats were feasting on swarms of insects that threatened the town's crops. This unexpected alliance between bats and farmers saved the harvest, showcasing nature's delicate balance. How often do we overlook such silent guardians? This event not only preserved Selborne's economy, but also highlighted the crucial role bats play in controlling insect populations. A lesson in ecological harmony that resonates today.